mutation nomenclature, some additional rules. How to write mutation at DNA level? At DNA level, that is usually in the form of coding DNA. It is written as C, let's say C76A2T. The meaning of this writing is C is for the coding DNA, 76 is the position of this adenine. So the adenine which is present at position 76 is converted into thymine. So it describes that in the coding sequence at the 76th position adenine was present, that adenine is converted into thymine. To describe the mutation at the level of RNA, in case of RNA, we take the example that R.76 small a is converted into small u. There is difference between the description of variant at level of DNA and at level of RNA. At level of DNA, capital alphabets are used, while in case of RNA, small alphabets they are used. The meaning of this description is that R is for the RNA, that in RNA sequence at position number 76 there is adenine, that adenine is converted into uracil. So the difference between to write the mutation at DNA and RNA level is that at DNA capital alphabets are used, while in case of RNA level small alphabets are used. In case of DNA, usually C is used, that is for the coding DNA sequence, while in case of RNA, R is written, that is for the RNA. In case of mutation to describe at the protein level, which is usually written as P.LYS76ARG. What is the meaning of this description? P is for the protein, LYS is for the lysine, which is the amino acid. Amino acid which is present at position 76 has been changed into arginine. So in sequence of the protein, lysine which was present at position number 76 has been changed into the arginine. Here we can see again that how mutations they are described at the level of DNA. At the level of DNA it is usually mentioned as cDNA, while at the level of protein it is usually mentioned by writing the P. P is for protein while C is for the coding DNA sequence. So we can conclude that while description of any variant, we should use or we should follow all the rules and regulations that have been formulated by an international committee. The name of that committee is HGNC.